Hello friends, how are you all? So today we are going to see about the keywords and identifiers in Java. How can we declare a keyword? What is identifier about their formal definition? We'll talk about these things in this video. So if you still have not subscribed the channel, then please subscribe it and press the notification bell icon to get the latest video updates. Okay, so let's move inside the topics which we are going to cover in this video. So in this video, we will talk about keywords, identifier about their formal definition, and we have very interesting questions. Why keywords cannot be used as identifier? We will see this one. We will write an example program and then we will take some questions. I'll give you some questions. You need to give me the answer in the comment section. And you need to solve this question by your own. If you find it some difficult, then you can come back to me in the comment section. So let's just move to keywords. So, but if we'll go with the formal definition, keywords are the reserved words, or you can say that predefined reserved words that is defined by the programming language. So, if I'll talk it means if I'll talk about keywords in simple language, so these are the reserved words which every language has, whether it is C, C++, Java, or .NET, or PHP, or Python, whichever language you will take. Every language will have their own some set of reserved words, and you need to follow those reserved words. Means you cannot make any changes within those reserved words, and these reserved words should be in the lowercase. It is the mandatory. Okay, that maybe it may be differ with the languages, but in Java it should be in the lowercase. Okay, so we'll move to the identifier. So identifiers, these are basically used by the programmers to identify the elements in the program. So now what is the elements in the program? It can be class name, it can be a variable name, it can be a method name, it can be like if you are going to declare a method name, suppose there is a method by the name suppose m1 or add. So that add which you are giving, it is the name which is given by the programmer. If you are going with a particular class and you have means you are going to write the code in that class, so that class name which you are defining, it is defined by you. So here you are the programmer. So that's why it is called as an identifier. So one thing to note down here, keywords cannot be used as an identifier. Why? We'll see about that, what will happen. So if we are going to use the keywords as an identifiers, so basically keywords are the part of Java programming language. Okay, like I said, keywords are the reserved word in every programming language, and it is a syntax defined by the Java. Suppose you have to write class, and that is CLASS. Instead of that, you cannot write something else. You cannot change the keyword class by your own, and you can define it like CLA single S, CLAS. That is not a syntactically correct. So if you are going to use the keyword as an identifier, if I'll talk about particularly this scenario, so suppose you have defined a class by the name public class int. So int is the reserved word or keyword you can say. So if you are going to use int as a class name, that time you will get a syntax error. So it is syntactically, it is not correct. Okay, so we will see this thing, how we will get the syntax error and all. With the Java program, we will write a Java program, and in that program, we will see how we are going to get the syntax error. So friends, for this, we will come inside our directory, that is complete Java tutorial. We will create a new file here, text document, and we'll change this file name completely. It will be test.java. So it will be asked for your permission, and you need to give that yes. Okay, so after clicking on the yes, you need to right click on the file, open with Notepad++ or edit with Notepad++. After this, you need to type your program here. So here we will write a simple program first to see whether it is running fine or not. Is there any error or something in our program? So we'll write public class test. After this, we'll write the main method, that will be public static void main. So we'll write it here, and after this one, a string array of args inside the parenthesis, then curly braces open close, and here we will write system.out.println. Okay, so inside this we will write a simply one statement, that is hello world. Okay, so hello world and semicolon will write here semicolon after the parenthesis. Yeah. So we'll just save it by Control S and we will open the command prompt now. Again, go to there, click on the URL here, this PC local disk. So CMD, we'll type here. After this, command prompt will be open. So in the command prompt, we need to first compile the file. So to compile it is Java C and file name. So file name is dash.java. So once it will get compiled successfully, then we can run the, like it has compiled. So now we can run our file Java and class name. So it is working fine. Hello world, it is printing. Now we are going to change. Now we are going to see whether we can change the keyword in Java program or not. So I have changed to class 1s I have removed. Now again I'll compile. So while compiling, I'll get an error here. That is the syntax error. So if you can see in Java 1 at line number 1 only error, class interface enum or record expected. But what I have given something else. So instead of this, I'll just correct it and once again I'll compile it. Now it will work fine. So it will be Java C test dot Java. So here it will work fine now. Yeah, it has compiled. So now we'll run it. Java test. Yeah, now it's running. Okay, so now we are going to see whether we can use the reserved word instead of identifier, that is a user defined name. So we'll change the test and we'll give here as int. Okay, so I'll just comment one thing. I'll write one thing only. Here test is the identifier for the reference of you. Okay, yeah. So if we will again come here and we'll change this test to int. int, yeah, correct. So after this int, again we will compile it. So this time we'll get the syntax error again at line number 1 itself. So Java C test.java and here's the error. Yeah. So if you'll see at Java 1, that means Java line number 1, we are having the error. So if you see at the 1 public class int, and what is it written in the command prompt? Public class int. So here it was expected some user defined name, that is the identifier, but we have given a reserved word. So that's why it is giving us the error. So we will change it now and we will write it as test. So after this, it will compile fine. Okay, Java C test.java. So now it will compile fine and that's it. Yeah, now it has compiled and now we can give Java test. Yeah, that's it. Now it is running. So friends, these are the questions which you need to answer. So first one is define keywords in Java, which I have defined in the starting of the video. So second one is define identifiers in Java, which you will get from the video only. So list some keywords in Java. For this, you can do Google search and you can make a note of it. Now, like you need to leave the comment for 10 keywords. Okay, we'll set for 10 keywords. So for 10 keywords, you need to note it down and you need to send it to me in the comment section. Okay, the fourth one is why we cannot use keywords as identifiers in Java. This is also I have told you. So these are the questions which you can solve by your own because it's very easy. It's a very basic questions. So that's it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching the video and don't forget to like, subscribe, comment and share among your friends. So whoever is needed, whoever is learning Java, it will be very useful for him. So thank you so much.